Welcome to the next lesson. In this part, I will show you how you can use ChatGPT to explain a code to you step by step for each part of it. So this is one of the projects that I was working on. It create educational information from books, and then it will generate audio files for it. Okay. So this is a Django project, and the programming language used here is Python. Okay, but I'm not gonna explain anything to ChatGPT. Okay, so I'm gonna come here, copy this part of the code. It's a function. Okay, I'm just gonna copy it all and come here and paste it inside ChatGPT, and then I will ask ChatGPT to explain this code to me and tell me exactly what each part do. Okay, I mentioned that I have a code and I want you to exactly explain what each part of this code does, and in general, where, how, and for what we can use this code. Okay, so I'm gonna paste the code inside three quotations. Okay, and wait for the response of ChatGPT. Okay, so let's scroll down. As you can see here, it mentioned that this is a Python code. Okay, and it's appear to be a function in a Django application, right? As I explained, I didn't tell this to ChatGPT, but itself it understood that this function generates audio for a specific book, okay? Likely using some sort of text-to-speech, TTS technology, and that is correct, okay? The overall purpose of this function named generate audio for book is to create stored audio versions of chapters in a book, right? And then it start to explain each part of it, okay? This is the first line. Def generate underline audio underline for underline book request book ID, okay? It's this part, okay? It's the first line, right? And it explained each part to us. This line is defining the function, okay? And then it explained each parameter, what it does and what is the use of it, okay? Then it goes for the next line and the next line and the next line after that, okay? So if you find a code and you don't understand a part of a code, okay, you can come to ChatGPT, paste that code here, and ChatGPT will explain it to you. You can also ask ChatGPT to make examples and teach you even deeper. Let me show you. For example, I can come here and tell ChatGPT that I don't understand this part. Okay. All right. So I wrote down that I don't understand the part below. Can you explain it again and make at least two examples? So if a part of a code is not clear for you, you can do this as well. Okay. It is explaining in Django, the reverse function is used to create URL that points to a specific view, right? It is explaining each part much deeper, right? And it is making some examples as well. So this is really useful for developers. And I myself, from time to time, I'm working on different projects and I don't understand part of the project. And this way, or I forgot why I wrote this code, or I'm working on the code written by some other developers and I don't understand part of it. And then I come here, paste that part inside ChatGPT, and ChatGPT will explain it to me. Okay, this is extremely useful for developers when you are especially working on complex projects. Okay, so that was all about this lesson, how to use ChatGPT to explain a code to you. So if you have any question, write it down for me. If not, let's go for the next part.